Hey, good morning. Welcome back. Okay, since I've been here in the state of Indiana, so I've had some people say, well, why don't you talk about the state of Indiana? So let's go into it. Let's talk about how the tax sales work here in the state of Indiana. Okay. Now remember, Indiana is a tax lien state. So put that number one, tax lien state. Okay. Their auctions are held either in person or on the internet. They're either held in person or on the internet. So half of the counties are in person, half of them are on the internet, okay? So you're gonna have to check with the county to find out, okay, are they having it on the internet or are they having it in person? Now, in Indiana, in the tax lien, okay? That's what we're talking about, right? Tax lien auction. There's a 1 year redemption period. Let's write that down. 1 year redemption period. Okay. That means the owner has 1 year, or the bank or anybody who has an interest, 1 year to pay the taxes on the property. After 1 year, you as the tax sale investor can foreclose on the property and own the property after 1 year. Okay. Now, still has to go in front of the courts for approval and everything. And it still has to go to the local tax collector or the auditor to basically finalize everything. And you're going to have to pay some of the prior year taxes, okay, if you have not been paying the supplemental taxes, and some other fees, okay? Now, the way they do it on the bidding is, suppose the auction starts at $1,000, okay? So it's a bit of premium. So whoever pays the highest amount will win the auction, okay? But remember, you're only going to win the lien on the auction. Now, if they pay, great, you'll get paid an interest rate, okay? And the way they work it is you will get a 10% penalty on the original amount of the lien, and if it gets bid up, you get an annual 5% interest rate on that, okay? So anyways, that is the state of Indiana briefly. Hope you guys like it and everything, okay? I want to give you guys some education, and if you do like us, hey, send us some comments and say, hey, appreciate your education you're giving us, because what are we doing? It's free. Okay, but it educates me too. So, okay, so that's the good thing about it. It gives me some great education also, okay? And remember, go to taxsalessuccess.com, and remember our motto, you're one step away from your dreams coming true in the tax sales. Till next time, see you then.